Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlists for each and every class in my channel. I have mentioned them in the description box below. So please go through it and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 5, Chapter 8. वह दिन भी क्या दिन थे. Those days were the golden days. घटना महत्वपूर्ण थी, वरना कुम्मी अपनी डायरी में उसे क्यों लिखती. The incident, घटना means incident. The incident was very important, or else why would कुम्मी write it in her diary? अपनी डायरी में उसने 17 मई सन 2155 की रात को लिखा. She wrote in her diary on 17th of May 2155 की रात को. At the night time she wrote. What she wrote? आज रोहित को सचमुच की एक पुस्तक मिली है. Today रोहित got a real book. सचमुच की means a real book. So this is a story where it's a period of 2155. So it's a story ahead of us. So let's see. वह पुस्तक बहुत पुरानी थी. That book was very old. पुरानी मीन्स ओल्ड. कुम्मी के दादा ने बताया था कि जब वे बहुत छोटे थे तब उनके दादा ने कहा था कि उनके ज़माने में सारी कहानियाँ कागज़ पर छपती थी और पढ़ी जाती थी. कुम्मी के दादा ने बताया था. दैट मीन्स कुम्मी's grandfather had told her that जब वह बहुत छोटे थे, when Kummi's grandfather was very small, his grandfather told him. तब उनके दादा ने कहा था. So who told her? Kummi's grandfather's grandfather told. What he told? उनके ज़माने में सारी कहानियाँ. At his time, ज़माने means during his period or his time, सारी कहानियाँ, all the stories कागज़ पर छपती और पढ़ी जाती थी. All the stories were printed on paper and read on paper itself. So Kummi is telling that his grandfather told her that when his grandfather was a kid, his grandfather used to tell him that at his time all the stories were printed and read on the पेपर. पुस्तकों में पृष्ठ होते थे. बुक्स कंटेन्ड पेजेस एट दैट टाइम, जिन पर कहानियाँ छपी होती थी. ऑन विच द स्टोरीज वेयर प्रिंटेड. और हर पृष्ठ पढ़ने के पश्चात दूसरा पृष्ठ पलटकर आगे बढ़ना होता था. एंड आफ्टर रीडिंग ईच एंड एवरी पेज वी हैड टू turn the page in order to read the next page. सारे शब्द स्थिर रहते थे. All the words used to be in the same position. चलते नहीं थे जैसे आजकल पर्दे पर चलते हैं. They won't move like we see that all our words are moving nowadays on the screen. Parde means screen. Nowadays the words used to move in the screen, but in older times they used to be in a fixed place. रोहित ने कहा था. रोहित had told her, कितनी पुस्तकें बेकार जाती होगी. How many books would have been wasted. एक बार पढ़ी और फिर बेकार हो गई. Once they would read it and that book would be of no use. अब तो हमारे टेलीविज़न के पर्दे पर जाने कितनी पुस्तकों की सामग्री आ जाती है। Nowadays, on our television screen, we can see how many books. और फिर भी यह पुस्तक नई की नई रहती है। And always they are new, brand new, because he is mentioning about the e-books. So even if we use it, another person can use it. But in case of book, he is telling book would have been a waste, because once we read it, we cannot reuse it. We can reread it, but still it's a waste. But in our time, all have been electronic. So once we read it or we use it, it doesn't become old. It is always brand new. कुम्मी ने भी रोहित की हाँ में हाँ मिलाई. कुम्मी also agreed to the statement what the Rohit said. फिर पूछा, तुम्हें ये पुस्तक कहाँ मिली? Then she asked, where did you find this book? रोहित ने बताया. रोहित told her, अपने घर में, at my home. एक पुराना डिब्बा कहीं दबा पड़ा था. One old box was lying here and there. It was hidden somewhere. दबा पड़ा था means without one box was lying there without anyone's notice. उसी को फेंक रहे थे कि उसमें से एक पुस्तक मिली. We were throwing that out. In that we found this book. इसमें क्या लिखा है? What is written in this book? स्कूलों के बारे में लिखा है. They have mentioned about the schools. स्कूल? कुम्मी ने प्रश्न किया. स्कूल? कुम्मी questioned him. उसके विषय में लिखने को ही क्या है? What is there to write about it and about this topic? हर विद्यार्थी के घर पर एक मशीन होती है. Every student would have a machine at his home. जिसमें टेलीविज़न की तरह का एक पर्दा होता है. In which there would have a screen like our television. रोज़ नियमित रूप उसके सामने daily according to the schedule or according to the timetable we have to sit in front of it. सामने बैठकर हमें वह सब याद करना होता है जो वह मशीन हमें बताती है. At the regular interval we have to sit in front of that machine and we have to by heart or we have to study whatever the machine is telling us. सारा गृह कार्य करके दूसरे दिन उसी मशीन में डाल देना होता है. After doing all the homework, we have to feed the homework in that machine itself the next day. हमारी गलतियाँ बताकर फिर वह हमें समझाती है. So what the machine will do? The machine will spot the mistakes we have made and it will guide us. एक विषय पूरा होने पर वही मशीन हमारी परीक्षा लेकर हमें आगे पढ़ाना आरंभ कर देती है. Once we complete one topic, the machine will take a test and after that it will start teaching us the another topic. कहते कहते कुम्मी थक गई थी. Saying all this, the कुम्मी got tired. अंत में बोली. At last she said, कितना उबाऊ होता है ये सारा स्कूल का काम. How tiring and boring is this, all the school work. रोहित मुस्कुराते हुए उसकी बातें सुन रहा था. रोहित was smiling and listening to her all the time. अरे बुद्धू, जैसे स्कूल का वर्णन इस पुस्तक में है. अरे ओ फूल, how they have described school in this book, वह इससे भिन्न होता है. It's totally different from the school what we hear today. इसमें तो उन स्कूलों के बारे में लिखा है जो सदियों पहले होते थे. So in this book it's written about the schools that were there in our ancient times, in the old times. So it is totally different. the schools we see today and the school that were there in ancient times are totally different from each other. कुम्मी के मन में कुछ उत्सुकता जगी. She got excited. फिर भी उनके यहाँ मशीन के बने अध्यापक तो होते ही होंगे. So she asked, at least there will be some teachers which are made up of these machines, right? At that time. कुम्मी को याद आया कि एक बार जब उसे भूगोल में रोज़ वही गलतियाँ होने लगी थी तो उसकी माँ ने मोहल्ले के अध्यक्ष को बताया था. कुम्मी remembered that when once she made again and again the same mistake in geography. So her mother told a person from the neighborhood that. तब एक आदमी आया था और उसने उस मशीन के पुर्जे अलग कर दिए थे. At that time one man came and he dismantled the machine. पुर्जे अलग कर दिए means he removed its part and opened it. तब उसने मन ही मन यह मनाया था कि वह आदमी इस बोर करने वाले अध्यापक को पुनः जोड़ ना पाए. So what she at that time she thought in mind itself that it would be good if that man couldn't join the machine again as it was at the earlier. वह आदमी इस बोर करने वाले अध्यापक को पुनः जोड़ ना पाए. She thought or she wanted that the machine couldn't be in the proper place again. तो उसे हमेशा के लिए छुट्टी मिल जाए. Then she will be free all the time. लेकिन उस आदमी ने मशीन को फिर से जोड़कर उसकी माँ को बताया था. But the man again fixed the machine as before and told her mother. लगता है मशीन के भूगोल की चक्की कुछ तेज़ रफ्तार पर थी. I think the wire, the cable which was the geography cable was running very fast. So मैंने अब उसकी गति कुछ धीमी कर दी है. So आशा है अब ठीक रहेगा. So I have slowed that cable a little so that now it will be fine. So the bhugol that is the geography cable was moving very fastly. Because of that some errors were coming. So her mother asked a person to deal with it and that person fixed it. और कुम्मी को उसी समय भूगोल का सबक सीखने बैठ जाना पड़ा था. And कुम्मी had to sit down to study geography at the same time. मन ही मन वह उस मशीनी अध्यापक को कोसती रही थी. In her mind she was cursing that machine teacher. तभी रोहित ने कुम्मी के सोचने के सिलसिले को तोड़ा. At the time she was thinking this all the time. So what Rohit did? Rohit braked her thoughts. He said, हाँ, तब अध्यापक तो होते थे परंतु मशीन नहीं, स्त्रियां और पुरुष होते थे. Yeah, at that time there were teachers but they were not machines. They were females or males. क्या कहा? कहीं कोई स्त्री या पुरुष इतने सारे विषय हमें सिखा सकता है? What? Even a lady or a man can teach us all these subjects. क्यों नहीं? वह बच्चे को सारे विषय समझाते थे. Why not? They used to teach all the subjects to the kids. गृह कार्य देते थे. They used to give them homework. और प्रश्न पूछते थे. They used to ask them questions. अध्यापक बच्चों के घर नहीं जाते थे. The teachers won't go to their homes. बल्कि बच्चे एक विशेष भवन में जाते थे जिसे स्कूल कहते थे. The teachers won't go to the kids' home, but all the students used to come at a place which was called a school. कुम्मी का अगला प्रश्न था, कुम्मी's next question was, तो क्या सब बच्चे एक समय में एक जैसी ही चीज़ें सीखते थे? ओह, so the kids used to learn a same thing at the same time. हाँ, एक आयु के बच्चे एक साथ बैठते थे. So what he replied, he said, yes, the kids of same age used to sit at the same place. लेकिन माँ कहती है कि मशीनी अध्यापक हर बच्चे की समझ के अनुसार पढ़ाता है. फिर पुराने ज़माने में ये कैसे संभव होता था? But my mom used to say that this machine teacher would teach us according to our intellectual capacity, that is our IQ. According to our IQ, the machine teacher used to teach us. But during that ancient time, how was it possible? तब वे लोग इस प्रकार नहीं करते थे. At that time they wouldn't teach according to the intellectual or according to the IQ. रहने दो, तुम्हारी इच्छा नहीं है तो मैं ये पुस्तक तुम्हें नहीं दूंगा. Leave it. If you don't want, I won't give this book to you. कुम्मी झट बोली. कुम्मी said suddenly, नहीं, मैं उसे पढ़ना चाहूँगी कि तब स्कूल कैसे होते थे. No, I want to read it. I want to know how the schools were there on those days. कितनी अजीब अजीब बातें जानने को मिलेगी. How weird or how different things we can learn from this book. इतने में अंदर से माँ की आवाज़ सुनकर कुम्मी बोली, लगता है सबक का समय हो गया है. इतने में अंदर में आवाज़ सुनकर कुम्मी बोली. At that time, Ma was calling her from inside. Her mother was calling from inside. Hearing that, the कुम्मी told, लगता है सबक का समय हो चुका है. I think it's time for me to learn. रोहित भी उठा और अपने घर की ओर चला गया. रोहित also got up and went to his house. कुम्मी अपने घर की ओर चली गई. कुम्मी also went to her house. अंदर मशीन आगे का सबक देने को तैयार थी. Inside, the machine was ready to give her the next lesson. मशीन से आवाज़ आनी आरंभ हुई. The machine started to speak. The voice came from the machine started to give the voice command. आज सबसे पहले तुम्हें गणित सीखना है. Today, first you have to learn maths. कल का होमवर्क छेद में डालो. Put your yesterday's homework in this box or in this hole. कुम्मी ने वैसा ही किया. कुम्मी did the same thing. वह सोच रही थी कि कितने अच्छे होते होंगे वे पुराने स्कूल, जहाँ एक ही आयु के सारे बच्चे हंसते खेलते कूदते स्कूल जाते होंगे और पढ़ाने वाले पुरुष और स्त्रियाँ होते होंगे. वह सोच रही थी. She was thinking that कितने अच्छे होते होंगे वे पुराने स्कूल. How nice and how good will be this old schools where जहाँ एक ही आयु के सारे बच्चे हंसते खेलते कूदते स्कूल जाते. Where the kids of same age would go to school smiling, laughing, playing all together. How nice was those days. और पढ़ाने वाले पुरुष और स्त्रियाँ होते होंगे. And those who teach us are the females and males, that is ladies and gentlemen are teaching us. इतने में मशीन से स्वर आना आरंभ हो गया था. So she was thinking that, and suddenly the machine started giving her voice command again. और पर्दे पर चलते हुए अक्षर एवं अंक आने शुरू हो गए थे. And the screen started to show numbers and letters. और कुम्मी सोच रही थी कि तब स्कूल जाने में कितना आनंद होता होगा. and the Kummi was thinking that how nice it would be to go to school at that time. कितने खुश रहते होंगे सारे बच्चे. How happy those kids will be at that time. So that's all. So this is a story where they are saying that after after 100 years the situation will be totally different from right now. The schools won't be there. There will be a machine which will teach the kids according to their IQ, and they will take the test and they will evaluate the exams. Everything will be done by the machines itself. And the Kummi, the character of the chapter, she's just thinking that those days were with the golden days, because all the kids could sit together, they could play, they could laugh, they could enjoy the moment. But right now they are just addicted to a machine who will teach them what to learn, what to study, and how to and they will guide how to rectify mistakes and all. But at that time, even ladies and gentlemen and people used to teach the kids. But right now only machines teaches them. So she was very excited to hear. At the same time she was very sad that she couldn't enjoy those moments and she was stuck with a machine teacher. Okay, so hope you understood the chapter. Thank you for watching. Thank you.